The Documents tabs. The Documents Transfer Details tab enables you to choose the combinations of QuoteWorks document types and QuoteWorks start statuses to define which ConnectIt-MAS document types are created. The QuoteWorks document type column enables the user to select which QuoteWorks document types can be created in ConnectIt-MAS. To configure the document types you wish to create in ConnectIt-MAS, select the required document type from the drop-down list in the QuoteWorks document type column, i.e. quote, order or invoice. The QuoteWorks starting status column is used during the validation process to ensure that documents can only be created in ConnectIt-MAS if they are of a certain status in QuoteWorks. By default, a quote must have a status of quote ready for Sage in QuoteWorks before it can be created in ConnectIt-MAS. If you require to change this, you can just double click and then edit to reflect your own required terminology. The QuoteWorks ending status column shows the status of the document in QuoteWorks after the information has been transferred to ConnectIt-MAS. By default, a quote has its status changed to quote created in Sage. Again, double-clicking here will enable you to edit that and change it to your own required terminology. The Sage document type column enables the user to select the type of document that is to be created in ConnectIt-MAS from the QuoteWorks document. The document type, i.e. SO quote, SO sales order, etc., can be selected from the drop-down list box. The plus-minus change column enables the user to specify whether the negative values are being used in QuoteWorks. If the box is ticked, ConnectIt-MAS will change the sign in the corresponding document from plus to minus or from minus to plus. If the box is not ticked, ConnectIt will not change the sign. Please note that it is necessary to have the correct plus or minus sign in the change column because credit memos are generally created in different ways in QuoteWorks and in Sage. The document values are negative in QuoteWorks but positive in ConnectIt-MAS. To ensure that the sales reporting is accurate in QuoteWorks, credit notes must be created as invoices with negative values. It is therefore necessary as part of the ConnectIt configuration to check that the sign for each document type is correct and to change it if necessary to ensure that all documents are created correctly in ConnectIt-MAS. The Active column enables the user to activate or deactivate the document types that can and cannot be created in ConnectIt-MAS. If you require the ability to create a certain document type, ensure that there is a tick in the appropriate box in the Active column for that particular document type. To prevent certain document types being created, click the tick box to deactivate it so that the box is not ticked. The Address and Delivery Address columns enable the user to specify which of the QuoteWorks sold to, shipped to, billed to address fields are used when transferring the information into ConnectIt-MAS. The Address column transfers to the ConnectIt-MAS Bill To address on the Address tab of a ConnectIt-MAS document, and the Delivery Address transfers to the ConnectIt-MAS Ship To address. Ticking the Stop Exclude column enables the user to prevent exclude line types from the QuoteWorks document being transferred across to the ConnectIt-MAS document. Ticking Stop Don't Print enables the user to prevent Don't Print lines from the QuoteWorks document being transferred across to the ConnectIt-MAS document. Please be careful when using this setting, as don't print line types may have a cost or a price associated with them. This could result in differences between the total document values of the quoteworks and the ConnectIt-MAS documents. And please note that if the associated stop flag is set, then a line item will not be transferred if it is an exclude or don't print type. The precedence is that ConnectIt does not transfer the line. The sales.doc comment field relates to the information that ConnectIt will transfer to the ConnectIt-MAS document comment field. By default, this is the quoteworks document number. ConnectIt supports a number of macros to allow the transfer of various different field values across from quoteworks. For full details of the macros available, please see the ConnectIt Knowledge Base article number 90. And please now remember to click the Save button to retain your settings on the Document Settings Transfer Details tab. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please contact your quoteworks reseller partner or visit the ConnectIt website at connectit-online.co.uk or email us at info@connectit-online.co.uk. Thank you.